In this video, I'm doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing what I did and how it turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today, friends, I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. And this collaboration is entitled The End of Summer All White Party 20. And it's hosted by some wonderful YouTube sisters of mine. Kelly at If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It. And her co-hosts are Marsha at Simply Divine at 70. And Tammy at Tammy Thompson TVMG. And Robin at It's Just Me, Robin. And Tamara at Love My Babies Forever. And Sandra at Levels of Style with Sandra. And Veronica at Saving with Miss V. Now, if you haven't heard of any of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist when it comes available down below in the description. Now, they asked us to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and that information will be listed down below. They also want us to have an all-white tablescape, not a wedding, but just white table. You can add one pop of color. The items, you bring all your items, all your white dishes, and you can set up a bar, a buffet, a table in or outdoors, whatever you like. But the twist is you have to tell them your year-end summer plans due to the crisis. Food or drink is optional, and they ask you to keep the video under 5 minutes. And they asked us to use a hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag End of Summer All White Party 20. So if you're interested in seeing what I did for this tablescape, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, I'm sorry I'm not on camera, but today I want to talk about my plans for the end of the summer. Due to the pandemic, a lot of things have been halted. By this time, my husband and I normally take a week trip for our anniversary, but because of the pandemic, we didn't go anywhere. We stayed here at home, and we planned dinner nights outside at the gazebo. So I think once it cools down more, our time will be spent at the gazebo and hanging with my parents and my sister, my daughter. We try to get together a little bit here and there to, just to see a little family. So our plans basically for the summer are to be here at home and do a lot of Zoom and a lot of video chats with the grandchildren. So that's our plans for this summer. Alright, so here is my table. The placemat came from Pier 1 on clearance. The white plate and the white dessert plate, they're from the Dollar Tree. The teal napkin, that came from Bed Bath & Beyond years ago. The wine glasses, those were gifts of my husband's. So he's had them for a while, and I really like them because they're really heavy. And then in my centerpiece, I'm using 2 white placemats. Those came from Pier 1 on clearance. And on there I have my DIY white vase. I painted it white. And inside that vase, I have the bunch of roses. Those are flowers. That's my small bouquet from my wedding. So I think everything went really well together. I really like that bouquet, and I think the roses in there really stand out on this table setting. So let me know what you think down below of my all white tablescape with a pop of color. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying, you be blessed.